this one for November. Do you get boned when I just hit record?
No, I love it.
Okay.
Great. It's funny.
Okay, so welcome back to Brittany's Brew Review for November 2023. This is a beer brew review show
Brr,
brought
brr,
to
brr,
you
brr,
by
brr, brr.
your friends at the Quick Sixer Collective. This show posts once a month. If you like what you hear, hit subscribe, hit the likes, share it with all your buds, and check us out on your favorite platforms. We are your hosts, Pat Ars, Brittany Fernandez.
So,
Brittany, this is November. We're in the midst of I don't know, man. We're just after spooky season, but spooky, it doesn't really end. It's just this post spooky.
post spooky season. About to
Mhm.
get into the depressing
Yeah,
winter of it all.
yeah. I just with some snowflakes and some fucking uncomfortable family gatherings.
Uh-huh. I got what you need for those uncomfortable family gatherings, though, I
Love
think.
that. Let's see.
Okay.
Are we getting faded on this? Ooh.
So this is something different
Okay.
that is funny to me that I'm doing this. But
Okay.
for November, I feel like it's perfect because it's a perfect like you're not getting too sloshed at the family gatherings. It just
Okay.
just takes the edge off just a little bit. I
Okay.
know not a lot of people are a fan of hard cider, but I
Okay.
mean
What do we got?
fall, winter, I feel like it's a perfect cider season. But
Mm-hmm.
this is the Wicked Grove hard cider from Aldi's.
Okay.
A six pack is $6.99. Like
Yeah.
really, you can't really beat that. Like, you know, getting
Ooh.
tipsy on a budget.
Yep. Yep.
And I feel like I know I usually pour these into my little fun glasses, but
Yeah.
drinking cider out of a bottle is
Seems
really the only way to
seems
do it,
nice. Yeah.
right?
Yeah. 5%. Um.
I don't know
This
anything
is funny.
about this place, so
Okay.
you just
I'll
tell
hit
me.
you. I'll hit you with some stuff. Yeah. It says legend has it that an ancient grove of bewitched apple trees lies hidden in the Vermont countryside. The fruit is said to have produced the first hard or wicked cider. Wicked Grove is our recreation of that fabled brew, a little sweet, a little tart, and wicked good. So, Wicked Grove
So there's a
Cidery.
little like there's a little story behind this. A
Yeah,
little
a little bit.
a
Li-
little legend.
yeah, a little legend. Middlebury, Vermont.
I do love Vermont.
Uh, yeah, Middlebury. I don't know shit about where is it
Wicked
made?
Grove.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck Wicked Grove's all about.
Do they
But
have an
apparently
orchard?
this is a hot topic. People really like this one.
Oh, really?
There's a lot of articles about it
Okay.
online.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I love it. I know that Angry Orchard
Yeah, Angry Orchard.
is, the I feel like the most popular cider,
Definitely.
but I feel like this knocks that shit out of the park.
Okay. Yeah, people are comparing it online.
It's
On
5%
online.
on the online.
On the online. Um yeah, man. Everyone says it's pretty good. What are we thinking? Oh, Woodchuck is a big hard cider too.
Yeah, I feel like woodchuck is dry.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Uh,
I don't
sure.
remember.
I don't
When's
have
the
it.
last time you
I
had
think
cider?
yeah. Uh yeah, no, actually I really like we have a local cidery in East that I really
Yeah,
like.
I always forget about that place.
Yeah, fuck, I'm really blanking. What's their name?
Oh God, we're terrible.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Oh,
Diskin cider.
Diskin
Oh my god.
cider.
And they're very good. Okay. Very good. Actually, shout it out just so they, we're cool with them. 1235 Martin Street, Diskin Cider. They have a
Colombian
very
secret
cool like tap room, I guess.
cidery.
Well, I guess the cider's on tap, so it is a tap room,
Okay.
I guess. I don't
Yeah.
know.
They do. I know they do movie nights and stuff there or
Yeah.
something
No,
like
they have
that.
it's really cool. Actually, we should probably go there.
We
It's good
should.
food and shit. Like it's really cool.
Yeah, we should check it out.
Maybe we go to a soccer game and then go. It's right down the street
Oh, okay.
from Geodis.
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 Geod. That Geod.
But isn't drinking a beer out of a bottle just like it's different?
It's a different game. It really is. Also, drinking out of glass is preferable all the time. So
Yeah, I'm not. I'll drink can, whatever, but glass bottle beer, that's the way to do it.
yeah, yeah. Or even pouring it in. I don't know. Yeah, it's just a different game. It also gets you faded faster.
The glass?
More air, I think. I think that's how it works.
Oh, okay.
Definitely with a
Well,
bottle over cans, it will for sure.
I'm into this. I know it's different from what we usually review,
Did you
but
hear that?
you're what?
I just slammed my fucking coffee mug down on my glass.
You're gonna have to like poop your pants
I don't want.
immediately.
Why?
You
Oh,
just
because of
slammed your
coffee?
coffee.
Yeah, maybe. Especially after what we're gonna try for December, which we're
Yeah.
surprised we're doing this back to back November, December
What are you
reviews.
talking about?
I know, crazy, right?
Thanksgiving's next week.
Oh my god. All right, actually, all right. Hold on. Let's reel it back in. Where are we scoring this particular cider?
I'm gonna give her a 3.
Ooh,
It's so good.
okay, three.
It's like it gives me like the warm and fuzzies inside, you
Okay,
know?
okay. So three for cider. I like it. I like the review. I like it.
Sometimes it's like you want like something that tastes like fall, tastes like, you know,
Yeah,
a freaking orchard, you know, like, but you don't want to
yeah,
gamble on a pumpkin beer or like you're not into beer at the moment. And
sure.
so I feel like grabbing a cider is the move.
Yeah, love that for you. Um,
And
okay.
Aldi's 6.99, can't beat
Yeah,
it.
Aldi. Get Aldi. Actually, while you're at Aldi, they have really, really good chicken nuggies. So go ahead and get
Really?
yeah, for real. They come in a
Okay.
red bag. Fire. Like
I
best
like
chicken
their
nuggies.
wine a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, their wine's
Okay.
delicious.
Yeah, best chicken nuggies in the game. For
Okay.
real.
I do like my chicken nuggets.
Their strips, hit or miss. Nuggies though.
If I'm eating chicken strips, I'm not eating, this is so stupid. I'm not eating like frozen chicken tenders. Like if I'm gonna get chicken tenders, I'm gonna like go get chicken tenders.
I see.
They're
I
never
see.
fully like the way I want them to be, but like,
Okay. You're
you
a
know,
picky chicken tendy. I don't know.
very specific.
I had no idea. Okay. While we're on topic of food, and this is November, big big gorging month for people. What is your your top three things that need to be on a Thanksgiving table for food on the
Canned
spread?
canned cranberry sauce. I don't
Oh
need your
yeah.
fancy shit. I
Hit me with
just
that
put it
ocean
in.
spray. Yeah.
It's in the can. It still has the little like ring marks on
Love
it.
that.
Put it in a dish, like you're good to go.
There you go.
It's fine. Macaroni and cheese,
Okay.
and it
That's a
better be
very
like
southern thing, by the way.
it better be fucking good too. Like
Oh
I
shit.
don't play around with that.
Okay.
Better be homemade. Like
Okay.
no craft
Oh,
for Thanksgiving.
for Thanksgiving. I'm not taking it off the table otherwise.
Otherwise, it's fine, but no,
Okay.
for Thanksgiving. And then I'm gonna say ham. I know
Ham.
people are turkey people. I get it. My family smokes turkey.
Okay.
They do smoked turkey, uh, oven baked ham, and my dad does brisket for Thanksgiving, so it's like a
Okay.
lot of meat. But I'm those three things together, cranberry sauce,
Can't miss.
macaroni and cheese, and ham. I'm
Yeah.
like that's that is like my childhood perfect plate.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna hit you with a couple. My top three. We're definitely going with the canned cranberry for sure.
Yeah, you have to.
We're going mashed potatoes. Okay.
Okay.
Gotta have some mashed taters.
Fair.
Also, this is weird, but my mom's and/or her family's stuffing. Okay.
Okay.
Don't get it fucked up. No dressing. We're talking about stuffing. Okay.
Stuffing.
Bread based. Okay. Man, I'm telling you right now,
That's a good little
I've
spread.
never met a person that I've given this to where they're like, I'm gonna need that.
Okay.
It's
All
fire.
right.
It's so much so that my wife's family, they were a dressing family their whole life, right?
Dressing.
I brought this junk to Thanksgiving one time, and they were like, "We're gonna need
We're
that
gonna
every
need
year.
that.
We're gonna need that every year." So your boy has to make a small pan
Amazing.
every year. You know what I'm saying?
I don't
Anyways,
like stuffing.
I'll change your mind on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to change my mind. That
I'm
sounds
straight
pretty
up.
good.
It'll change your mind for real.
All right.
Not kidding. Anyways, for November, that is Brittany's brew review. Go ahead and hit your best ciders in the comments. I want to hear what everybody else is having.
Yeah, and don't be judgmental.
Nah,
People like cider.
people like cider.
No,
It's
you
the time of year for
IPA
some cider.
boys,
Yeah.
IPA
Yeah.
bros.
Yeah. Don't hit me with that bullshit.
Mm.
Hit me with that real. We know you drinking ciders in the garage. You're not even, you know,
Don't play.
don't play. We know everybody's drinking some ciders. But anyways, yeah. Let us know what you think. Like, subscribe. Love you guys. We out.